How to change language in Doomsday Last Survivors. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to change your language setting in Doomsday Last Survivors. So here's how you do it. First of all, open the Doomsday Last Survivors game on your device, and once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. This will open up this Commander Info section, where you need to go to the bottom left and tap Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Language option at the top. Select the language of your preference from the list of available languages. Choose your language and click on OK at the bottom. Soon after you do that, the game will restart and the interface will now be presented in the language of your choice. So there you have it. That's how you can easily change your language setting in Doomsday Last Survivor. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.